need to see your music?
Well, yeah, but this one was on, so we just use that.
All right, so wait. Jake said that we, in the calculator, he figured out that tangent of, you said, the angle?
Yeah.
Which we said that theta is what we're going to use to just talk about angle.
Equals delta y over delta x.
Equals delta y over delta x.
Is there a specific way to draw a delta?
Triangle. I mean, if you want me to tell you a specific way, make it an equilateral triangle or an isosceles. Equilateral looks best, I think. It looks the most like the Greek delta, or isosceles. Just make sure it's not scalene. It's not allowed to be a scalene triangle. There you go.
I can't draw an isosceles triangle.
And you checked this with, like, the tangent of 11.
Equals 1 over 5.
And we said this is slightly approximate, right?
Yeah, but so were our approximations yesterday.
And this came out in our calculator to be 1 over 5.
Almost.
Almost. Very close. Here, we'll put a squiggly.
And it was 0.194.
And then you also said the inverse tangent
It says 0.194.
of 1/5, really, right?
Wait, what if you did 0.194 instead of 1/5?
Then it would just be 11.
Would it be?
Yeah. Tangent to the negative first of and equals 11.
You got a calculator, right? Get it out, Connor.
Also, I put my calculator in Swedish because I thought it was funny.
Hi.
All that makes me think of is the Swedish Chef. The Muppet. Okay, So let's draw this. Here, let's draw this. So we have a reference. YouTube, how dare you?
YouTube is illegal.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
You went and you sought your own information on your own time. How dare you, Jake?
Well, actually, I mostly got there myself, but there was something wrong with the calculator, and we figured out how to get the right thing on YouTube.
I strategically... I have strategically not taught you guys how to fix your calculator on purpose.
Well, I learned it on my own.
What do you mean,
so.
how to not fix our What do you mean?
He's been holding us back.
No, I have not. That is not the way to say what we've been doing. Fine, get out your calculator. Gosh. You know, I will have you know, on PTSA last night, I was talking with Connor's mother about all these things, and she said she did not understand trig until like her senior year of high school, and like she knew how to do it, but didn't understand it.
Did you show her the circle video?
So remember, no, but you should. So remember, like, I have a strategy with how I'm teaching you guys. It's called, like, pedagogy or something like that. I don't know. There's a lot of vocab in teaching. And the reason I haven't showed you this yet is then you just default to grabbing your calculator. I wanted us to actually spend some time figuring out, like, how all this works so we actually understand it. So, second quit, we'll, Clear can clear everything. Jake, you want to talk us through?
Yeah,
You just want me to do it.
But if you explain it, you have to be...
What button do I push, Jake?
Okay, so, can I use, like, the... Oh, okay. So, you push mode.
You push mode.
You go down... Oh, I can't really see it.
If your calculator is set to defaults, your calculator will be set on radian.
And then you go over and hit enter.
So you change it to degrees.
And then you hit clear.
And what this will do is it will want degrees when you're putting in the degrees, and it will spit out degrees when you put in something else, right? Like, so Jake said the inverse tangent of 1/5 when he put it in. So if you want an inverse tangent, hit second then tangent of 1 over 5. Jake said it came out to be very, very close to 11.
Yeah.
So let's go back to our drawing really quickly.
What I'd like to say is, if you're trying to do like the tangent of an
Is there,
angle,
like, an equation for sine, cosine, and tangent?
Do you realize how you just completely interrupted Connor? Because I don't think you do. And I just want to, like, make you aware of it. So first off, you sort of owe Connor an apology, but
Sorry.
Connor, go ahead.
if you radian and you do like 11 pi over 180, if you want to do 11 degrees, that's also a degree.
Wait, what?
This
Radian.
person
Like
is
11 pi, 1 pi over 180 is 1 degree. Like pi over 180 radians is 1 degree.
Pi over 180 is 1 degree. Why is that?
Ow! No, well, because like pi is a half a circle, which is 180.
Ow, no.
Fraction.
Ah.
So wait, we said
Division, I guess.
Oh yeah, you're right. This person is smart.
George said that.
I am not smart.
3 times.
you were motivated and you did like YouTube some information.
Yeah,
So-
it's mostly my dad.
Your dad used
Yeah,
YouTube?
yeah, he is.
Jake, what's your dad do again?
Digital pathology.
What's that mean?
He detects cancer using AI.
That's pretty awesome.
That's cool.
So yesterday we discussed, sorry, I should get to full screen, that a full rotation is 2 pi because circumference equals 2 pi times the radius, and if the radius is 1 in the unit circle that we reference, then our circumference is just 2 pi. And we said radians is actually addressing how much rotation has happened, which so is an angle measure, but a lot of people don't really think about angles as rotation. So like think about like a handicap ramp. People are not going to think about something having rotated to create that ramp.